What's going on, everybody? King Dreb here, and this is the video you've been looking for. My story is I'm a Mac user and I want to create a Windows 10 USB installer from a Mac for my gaming PC that I just built. So here's what I did, and this is what you need to do. You need to go to Microsoft.com. You've probably already done this and failed a couple times, but you need to go to Microsoft.com, download Windows 10. Then when you open your disk utility, you go to your storage device that you want to use. I'm just going to use this SD card just as an example, but plug in your USB drive. You need to click Erase, and you need to go to your storage, and you need to go to Microsoft NTFS. And if you do not have this, I'm going to show you how to get it. Because for me, when I went to try to install Windows 10 with my USB stick, exFAT did not work, and FAT did not work either. So I found myself stuck. And so here is the answer. You need to go to Microsoft NTFS, just search for that, click on Paragon software. Then you need to download this software. It gives you a free 10-day trial, and you look right here, write files to Microsoft NTFS drives on your Mac. Can't write, copy, or edit or delete files on Microsoft, blah, blah, blah. It's because Mac OS has limited support for Windows volumes. Yes, that is true. Mac and Windows still do not play well together. So once you get this downloaded, then what you'll do is you will obviously run this program, get it installed. You'll have to restart your computer, all that fun stuff. Then this right here will pop up in your window bar. If you do not have this in your window bar for some reason, then you can open it up, Microsoft NTFS. Let's see, there it is. And then open. It'll look like this, okay? You click on your USB drive, erase it, call it Windows 10, erase. It'll take a second or two, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it's done. So I fast forwarded through all that. Once you have it formatted, all you're going to do is you are going to highlight all this and drag it to your device. That is all you're going to do. Then when you take your device and you plug it into your newly built PC, after you get everything you want to do with your BIOS, all that stuff, you just hit F8 or F11, whichever one it is, and it should be able to boot from the USB drive. So that's the tutorial. Hope it helped you like it helped me when I finally figured this out. Thanks. And long live the king.